Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to turn Microsoft Word black background with white text. As we can see, we have in this document black background with white color text. So to implement this setting, you have to click on this design tab and here in the page color select black. So now we have black background with white text. You can implement all settings and changes here. Also you can make black and dark gray background. So file and account, office theme, select here dark gray. Like this. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.